Hi guys, we're entering Rabino Pet Shop and this is along MacArthur Highway. So if you're near the place, go visit. And they have very nice cichlids, fishes. And I'm here just to show you what's inside the pet shop. So they have fancy goldfish, oranda, and looking. And as you can see, they have even calico. They have also red cap, and they have nice kois. If you have ponds, and even Oscars. Barbs, and parrotfish, some of the fishes I'm not familiar with, but you can always visit the pet shop. They have baby angelfish and dwarf gourami. Also an angelfish, about 3 to 4 inches I think. And they have good guppies, like cobalt blue, and there's black guppy, neon guppy, I think this is the black one. They have female also. And they have some reds, tiger barb, and the prices are really good. It's not that high. And also they have black neon tetra and panda corridora and cichlids. They have flower horns too, so you can also visit. And I believe there's an arowana too. So they have bubble eyes too, if you're into goldfish. And again, parrotfish. They have reasonable price, and good thing is that they have a wide range of products that you can purchase, from fishes to birds, and even toys for dogs. They have cages, aquarium, even alligator gar, and this unique fish. Also guys, they have bettas available too, so there's a really wide range of choices that you can purchase from this pet shop. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hope Kusina 101, and also please click like and click the bell icon so you get notified with all the updates and another visit to different pet shops that we can go to. Also check out my playlist with travel, vacation, escapade, planting adventure, and cooking at home. So till next time.